Hi, I'm Bob Vavra, Content Manager for CFE Media, here at this year's 2017 System Integrator of the Year event at DMDII in Chicago. I'm joined now by two of our winners from Interstates Control Systems, Jack Wolber, President, and Jeff Miller, the Director of Project Management. Gentlemen, first of all, congratulations on receiving the award. What does this mean to you guys and to the organization?
Well, it's really been an honor to us. We've had just a tremendous year this last year. A lot of extra effort gone in by a lot of people, just trying to stay on top of things. And so it's really neat to know that we're getting awarded for the hard work that we put in.
Hey, Jack, it's been a busy year.
It has been a very busy year, and we've got a lot of good leaders in our organization, and so it's fun to be able to receive this award on an up year like this, and to honor them as well for all the work and effort that they put into.
What has been some of the kinds of projects that you've been doing, and what's made it such a busy year? We've talked about the importance of system integrators to manufacturing, but talk a little bit about some of the kinds of projects and some of the kinds of challenges that your customers are providing for you.
I think probably a couple of the bigger things that have just really grown tremendously for us are in the manufacturing IT space. We talked a little bit earlier about the system integrators are getting involved in cybersecurity and helping our customers secure their plant floor, and that's just been tremendous amount of growth for us over the last few years. And just as the industrial internet thing really starts to hit the plant floor, we want to be ahead of that. So we've spent quite a bit of time just trying to understand the market, what's really real and what is not ready to go yet. And so we're putting a lot of investment into that.
Jack, how much of your job right now is consultancy, and how much of it is technology? It's an interesting time to be a little of both for your customers.
It is, and so historically we were much more about the technology, and I think we continue to become more and more about the consultancy side of that. We've been able to, as Jeff had said, IIoT is a big deal, and so recently with some of the industry knowledge that we've had, we've been able to save a client, for instance, 2 hours of production per day, just because of the application of the information that we could gather off their plant floor and applying it to their facility. And so I think we're going to see more and more of that over time, where we become more of a consultant to our clients.
Yeah, and talk a little bit about how system integration is an industry, and you guys are very involved in the industry as in a large part as well as within your own organization. Talk a little about how you've seen system integration grow and change as an industry, and its importance to manufacturing growth.
Well, it's kind of interesting because the manufacturers used to have much larger engineering staff, and today a lot of them have retired and they're not replacing them, so they're seeing us as their engineering staff. So they're bringing us in a lot earlier in the process, helping them with their front-end engineering, helping them make sure that it's going to be a successful project from the design phase all the way through the implementation. So really seeing just a lot more work that in the past would have been done by them.
Sure. Jack?
So I think that we've seen it go from just the plant floor side to the convergence of this IT/OT space. And with that, we continue to see the introduction of new technology and new software packages and all of those kinds of things. And so I think there's opportunity for us to help our clients by trying to figure that out, sift all that information out, and find out how we can apply it to them and help them be successful.
Well, it's been a successful year for system integrators, and it's certainly been a successful year for Interstate. So congratulations once again on the 2017 System Integrator of the Year award.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.